Assalamu alaikum all of you. Now the next series of computer science and the lesson number 1 is based on data basics. Outline of this lesson is what is data, what is information and data processing activities. What is data? Raw facts and figures are known as data. Your experiences are called data. Your natural observation, natural phenomena is known as data. Why you are data collect, why you need to collect data. You need to collect data to perform the different tasks related to your study, or you can perform the different task on your data for the betterment of your any business activities, or you can decide, or you can decision making which project is better for your organization or not, or you can collect the data related to the different subjects, which subject is your which subject you are study and that subject is better for you, that all the problems you solve by gathering or collecting the data. For example, list of employees, list of student ID cards and eye colors. Now what is information? Information, you can collect the data, and after collection the data you can process, or you can apply the any operation on your data and shift your data into the meaningful information. That form is called the processed data, and processed data is known as the information. On this information you make the decisions of your study, of your for your organization or for your business. For example, grade of student in any subject of semester 1 and addition of two numbers, and addition of two number is always same. You can also conclude that information are the operation, information are that analysis you can perform again and again on the same observation, you can get the same results. Now, how many activities involved in data processing? So when data processing in actual, the required result, required achievements which you want from the data is called data processing. And data processing is based on three categories or three types: data capturing, data manipulation and managing the output result. Now what is data capturing? Data capturing is the way you are put your data in any computer, in any software. Maybe it is the form of text, shapes, numeric numbers, numerics, or picture, and many other forms. You can give the data to any software or for your study. Now, manipulation of data, the process to perform the various operation, and the various operation based on arithmetic or logical operation on your data set to change the outlook of your data, or the you can shift the data into the presentable look, or in a good look to for the other person. You see your data and draw the conclusion on the basis of the information. Now the manipulation of data is based on calculation, classification, sorting and summarization. Firstly, you have a huge set of data, but you are unable to study the whole data in the same way you are collected. Firstly, you can shift the data into small groups, and you make the group according to your requirement. It may be a age, it may be a based on your main actual study. You can change your, for example, you are studying a class and you can separate the student on the basis of intelligence. You can separate the student on the basis of intelligence, or you can study the class on the basis of age group. Also, you can study the class on the basis of height, and many more other example related to the classification of your data. After classification of data, you can perform the calculation on your data. It may be a mathematical operations or models which already exist. You performed it and you get the conclusion, or you get the meaningful information. It may be a logical, it may be a psychological. That from the data, 25% are intelligent, 25% are degree holders, and many more examples. Now sorting. After calculation, you can sort your results. You can order your result, like you can find the sum, you can find the average, you can find the percentage, and many other examples. Sorting may be in the form of increasing order, decreasing order, alphabetical order, and many other forms of your sorting exist in the study. Summarizing your conclusion, which you analyze, which you conclude the result of the data. That is called the summarization of your data. Last one is managing the output result. It's mean output are stored for the other person. The other person study the analysis and conclude which type of conclusion are you can formed, or you can extract from the manipulation of data. You can store, or you can communicate with the result and predict the models, predict the observation, predict the future outcomes of your organization or of your business. You can save your data, manage your data in disk, management tape, microfilms, and many other genres. Communicate and reproduction. You study your data again and again, and you can get the different result from your data. That part is called the communication and reproduction. This is the first lecture. Hope so you can clear your all concept. If you have any query, if you have any question related to these concepts, you can ask freely. Thank you.